Hey everybody, today I want to show you how to draw another optical illusion. This one is going to be a bus that when we flip it upside down should look like an angry person. So let's start here with the wheels of the bus, which are going to also be the eyes of the person when we flip it upside down. That's just two circles, sort of in the middle of the page down near the bottom. Okay, now let's actually connect that up first here with the line, and then another line sticking out one side, and then same kind of line on the other side. Looks a little bit like glasses. Now we'll draw the front of the bus. So we'll just curve this line up and then back again, just to about the middle of the wheel. Then we'll go up again. This will be the windshield of the bus. And then we'll curve it back for the top of the bus. And let's finish that line somewhere near the bottom line there. Okay, and let's just connect these up. There we go. You see I've curved the lines a little bit, so when we flip it over, it'll look a little bit more like a person. Okay, we'll draw two circles inside the wheels. Those will be the hubcaps and also the pupils of the eyes. And just so it look a little bit more like eyes, let's color those in. Do this one here. Okay, fix that up here. Okay. Now we're going to do the headlights of the bus, which is also going to be the nostrils of the person when we flip it upside down. So it's just two little circles here. There we go. Now we're going to do the windows of the bus. And if you haven't already guessed here, this is going to be the mouth of the person. Draw that back and around, sort of a rectangular shape. And then let's just draw some divider lines here, which will divide the windows and also the teeth. Okay. Now a couple more details. Down here in the back of the bottom of the bus, I'll draw a little half circle and then three lines out. And then we're going to draw a cloud shape here. So this looks like the exhaust smoke coming out of the back of the bus. But you'll see when we flip it around what it'll look like. And then the last detail here is going to be a little bump the bus is driving over. And that, when we flip it around, is going to look like the eyebrows. So there you go. There's the person, and you can see that exhaust looks like steam coming out of the ears. And there it is again, the person. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.